Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into the TQQQ ETF. We initially published a report on our website on Friday, November 24, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. We don't want you to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has identified TQQQ as a buy candidate with a score of 2.57. Now, let's dive into how this stock has performed since then. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 21.71% over the past 16 days since we first recommended TQQQ as a buy candidate. This means an average daily return of 1.36% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a wide and horizontal trend. Typically, this would present a good selling opportunity. However, if the ETF breaks through the top trend line at $44.70, it would indicate a strong buy signal and a shift in the trend could be expected. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 0.0497% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between minus 30.20% and 1.12%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a significant 83.87% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between 36.85% and 130.65%. This indicates a price range of $60.46 to $101.90 after 1 year. In our latest update for the TQQQ ETF, we have some interesting news. The ETF's price ended at $44.18 on Friday, showing a decrease of 0.495%. On the last trading day, Friday, November 24, 2023, the TQQQ ETF experienced a decline of minus 0.495%, moving from $44.40 to $44.18. Throughout the day, the ETF's price fluctuated by 1.37%, hitting a low of $43.85 and a high of $44.45. It's worth noting that the price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and has seen a growth of 15.59% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive sign since volume typically follows the ETF's movement. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 54 million shares, with a total of 32 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.39 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest price the ETF reached was $47.14, while the lowest price was $16.10. Currently, the price stands at 6.28%, or $2.96, below the 52-week high and 76.85%, or $146.70, below its all-time high on January 8, 2021, when it reached $190.88. Here are the signals identified for TQQQ. The TQQQ ETF has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there will be some support from the lines at $43.79 and $38.17. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, sell signals will be issued. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Although some negative signals have also been issued, they may have some influence on the near short-term development. Recently, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, resulting in a decline of minus 1.16% so far. It is expected that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. The volume also decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, we have a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal was generated 4 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was generated 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, we have a buy signal from 18 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was generated 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages is indicating a buy signal from 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following. Short moving average, a buy signal was generated 17 days ago. The long-term moving average, we have a buy signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages is indicating a buy signal from 39 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $37.35 and $35.70. When an ETF is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If this support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In the case of TQQQ, if the support at $37.35 is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $35.70 and $34.47. This ETF can be quite volatile, meaning it may experience significant price movements throughout the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval for this ETF, classifying it as very high risk. Over the past day, TQQQ had a price range of $0.600 or 1.37% between its high and low points. On a daily average, the ETF has shown a volatility of 2.57% over the past week. Today, we'll be exploring potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $44.40. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, TQQQ encounters its initial support level at $37.35. If this level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $42.49, which represents a decrease of 3.82%. This particular ETF experiences significant daily movements, making it a high-risk investment option. Furthermore, the RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 79, further increasing the risk associated with this investment. We have also identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 3 days ago, further indicating a potential downturn in this ETF. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several short-term signals indicating that TQQQ ETF may be a good buying opportunity. However, it's important to note that our systems have detected that the current price is overvalued, based on the volatility and movements of the last trading day. Looking ahead to Monday, November 27th, we anticipate TQQQ to open down $0.0200 and start trading at $44.16. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for making investment choices. By relying on this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're taking a close look at the current view of the stock. We want to hear from you too, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have in mind for the ETF? Let's engage in a meaningful discussion. If you find this content helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support. As always, we wish you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for being a part of our Stock Invest community.